Hello everyone and welcome to gabyson.com. My name is Gabriel and today I'm just going to give you a brief explanation about the certification programs that we are offering in our institute. First thing you have to know is that these certifications are international recognized. That means they are being recognized in every country and they have a lot of value more than the diploma itself. I know some of you may have seen somewhere where they provide diploma courses. You have to understand that those courses are being recognized only in a particular country, the country in which you did your studies. But these certification programs are recognized worldwide. Okay, the one of the important, the most valuable course that we do offer here are web developer certification training. So a web developer is somebody that works more on the web. So sometimes when you open on your Facebook account, you see a lot of information, you see a lot of messages going through. When you type your message or you send a message to somebody, you actually see that, okay, this person have received my message. When you make a post, you actually see, okay, yeah, your picture has been posted on Facebook. Those are the job of a web developer. Okay, the next one that I'm going to talk about is the web designer. The web designer certification training is simply someone that take care of what you see. A web developer, you don't see what the web developer does because it is actually at the back end. But a web designer makes sure that the text are actually nice. He makes sure the pictures should be well arranged. He makes sure that you should be happy and of seeing what you are seeing. Yeah, because when you see something it is not good, you won't you will go away from it. So the web designer makes sure that when you see it, you should have the interest of looking at it more. That is the job of a web designer. So we also provide training for those type of certificate. You also here you are going to have a software development training program. Okay, when I talk of software here, I'm focusing more on some of the programming languages such as C, C++, and Java. So we're actually going to be we are going to limit ourselves just on these few languages. At least with this, you'll be able to do some development. You can develop things like WhatsApp. You can develop things like Facebook. You can develop mobile application like okay, WeChat or Viber. So those are things that you can do when if you are doing this training. You can also work in good companies, yeah, because companies like Apple, they work mostly on C programming. Okay, let's look at Oracle database certification training. Okay, under Oracle, actually, it's more about database. So it doesn't mean that you only focus on database because Oracle itself has a lot of branches. You can still do Oracle Finance, you can do Oracle in the marketing. So it all depends on what you want. But we limit ourselves here in on database certification. The other one here is Red Hat, Linux, Red Hat. Okay, here in this area, you can become like a system administration. That means you'll be able to manage the servers. Yeah, you focus more on the server part. You have to work mostly on the back end. The server means where your information are being stored. So when you send information or when you make a post, what happens? So the system administrator have to take care of that. You have to take care of who are using the computers. You have to assign rights to each and every users that are present, maybe within a company or within an institution. Okay, the other sector here is CISCO. CISCO, he also have a lot of branches that they do provide a certificate on, But here we are going to limit ourselves only on CCNA and the CCNP certification training. So under Cisco, you may have a Cisco routing and switching. You may have a Cisco security. You may have a Cisco voice. Those are different branches of Cisco. And you may also have a data center, which is also available. That's a new product of Cisco that have just been released just a few years back. So you can take up the training, and with us we are also going to give some counseling. We are going to give a brief explanation about the origin and what are you actually, which direction are you actually going, and what do you aim to do, or where you will be able to work. Okay, with the Cisco, yeah, it's true. Yeah, within the Cisco, you can work in some companies like MTN, Nextel, or Vodafone, uh, and a lot of companies. Or you can also open your own section. Yeah, it does not mean that somebody who have done an Oracle cannot work in MTN. Of course, the person can also work in MTN. Yeah, because they have to manage the database. MTN have a database. Somebody who is working who have done a Linux can also does that. Can also work in MTN. So somebody who have done a software can also work in MTN. So all these courses, once you are done with it, you can actually work in any of those in telecom companies or any companies that relate to IT services. Okay, we can also have Microsoft certification training. Okay, yeah, in short, when you talk of Microsoft certification, you have Microsoft certification that quite a lot of certification that Microsoft also provides. That especially you can work more on the Windows 8 server. Currently, we have Windows 12, I think so. So we have different certification under Microsoft, which I'm not going to explain to you here because of the time frame. I want to just make this video to be very short. Okay, another course that we're going to be providing is on digital marketing. Okay, this training here actually is something that every company, the demand for this certification is very high. Yes, because it you don't have to be somebody or you as a developer or as a student, you don't have to have any basic understanding about the web technology. Is very easy actually. Then the digital marketing is just like transforming what you know about the marketing, because marketing we do the traditional, most of the time here in Cameroon we do mostly but the traditional marketing. So if you want to understand how the digital world it works, you can also take up this course as a digital marketing course, which is going to help you understand how those Facebook and Google and on Twitter, how does people use those type of platforms to sell their product, to make their brand known to people. So you can also take up this digital marketing area to know what is going on. And also you're also going to understand a little bit about the web development and the web designing, because those things will be taught so that you can will be able to know what is going on the digital world. Another course that we're going to provide in is mobile applications. So mobile applications like app development. So in this area, actually, you'll be learning more. You'll be focusing more on software. And before you learn this program, definitely you should know, right? Yeah, you should know. You should know at least C or C++ language. These are just a programming language that you can actually learn, so to understand the mobile application and development. So this is also focusing on people who actually want to understand how the mobile industry, yeah, how it works when you use WhatsApp, when you use like WeChat. How do you want to know how it works, what happens? So that is where you can take up this area. The other part is webmaster. Okay, webmaster, yeah, those sometimes we mostly we will providing some of this webmaster kind of stuff, mostly on free. Yeah, you can at least you have to pay very less on these sectors, because we're basically giving you the basic need about the basic functionality about the web and how the understanding of the web technology. We may do a computer hardware. Yeah, we provide computer hardware, though this is not actually what I had in mind of doing. Yeah, because in this area in computer hardware, I have mostly I don't think, yeah, but if you want to specialize in this area too, you can do specialize. You can take up the certification too. It's also very good, but at least there are things that somebody can easily understand them just by operating, looking at the computer. Even a common person can just understand this type of course. So in most courses, I will advise you to go for any of the other courses, because once you know the other ones, definitely you are going to know how the hardware works, at least because all these applications are going to be running on top of the hardware. Okay, well, thank you very much, and I hope this brief explanation about the course contents of what we are going to be training, or we are going to be offering, was quite helpful. So please, if you have any doubts or any question, just kindly contact me through my WhatsApp number, or contact me through my next 10 number in Cameroon, and I will give you a brief a details explanation about the courses. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.